Leo, what will you choose?
Are you on? Is it recording?
Oh, I'm not particularly over. What will you choose? What will you choose for a good smacking? These options. How are we going to smash it at this little car? I do not know, but you know, that is what we do.
What am I going to smash? I'm going to smash an orange. Guys, this is how my channel became known at my school. Oranges. Right? I'm going to smash this orange and make it bleed. Let's go.
Do you want to record so I can throw the orange at Leo?
Yeah, Jack, record.
Thanks, Jack, it's already on.
Let's go, guys!
So the orange. Guys, should we peel the orange? Or...
No, no orange peeled. Guys, let's go. Woo!
What?
3. Oh, I need my hat.
I never put it in the hat, I dropped it on the floor.
Well, you didn't. No one was throwing things at you.
3,
3, 2, 1.
Nothing's happening.
Oh, it did it. Guys, it did. It smashed it, but that's not good enough, is it?
No.
That is not good enough. You're gonna die, orange.
It's not finished yet, dude.
It's not finished. It's not finished. It's not finished. It's not done.
Can I smash them? Joey.
Smiley smashed another smiley. What? Pig. You're gonna explode over you.
No, can I have 2 things on the smashing now?
Yes. Have a car.
No, I want a car now.
No, let me do the lot.
No, because you're doing that.
Fine.
Right.
He's smashing 2 this time, guys.
Should we go straight for the Sledge?
No.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's in the way.
Straight for the Sledge.
No, we can't. We need to see what's it. Come on. Right, guys, he's starting.
Oh yeah, can I do it out with that sledgehammer?
You can do not with the sledgehammer, no, you can't.
Ready, guys? Yeah.
3, 2, 1, action! It popped, guys. It popped, but it's not good enough.
Do it upside down with a
It's
sled.
good enough. It's not good enough. It's not good. He's off, guys.
Show the viewers what has happened. Is it good enough? Is it good enough? Yeah.
It's not good enough, guys. It's not fully broken.
I can't believe you
Not
have
fully
done
broken.
It's not fully broken.
Can't believe you have done this.
Get the sledgehammer. We have to sledgehammer this.
Too damn short.
You hit my hat. Now it's done, guys. Let's move on to the next. No. Right, guys.
Can I use the sledgehammer?
No, you can't. You need to do the rest.
No, let me just know, because it's going to pop and it's going to be better if we just use the sledgehammer.
No, the orange in. That's tighter. Come on. Let's go, guys. Got the line. Do you want me to throw it at you?
No, it's cool.
You sure? Don't be baby. Okay then, guys. I'm going to stand in here to record this.
I might just throw the nunchucks at Leo.
No, don't throw them.
Only joking.
It would be fun watching him fly.
That did nothing.
Who's going to clean this up?
Don't throw it here.
Fairness. Look, guys, that did nothing to that line. I think we need to upgrade.
Yeah.
You've got 100 coins. Now upgrade to the nunchucks. Come on, guys. Put the line there. Oh, yeah. Let's see them balls.
When life gives you lemons,
Mm.
like your titties.
No, guys, it didn't work. You almost broke my nunchucks, you idiot.
Let's throw it at me instead.
No, let's not.
No, throw it at me instead.
Fine.
Let's do the sledgehammer.
You want to- No. Safety.
Right, you ready, guys? Do you want to be in this video, kids?
No.
Right, let's
Come
go.
on, you, Jack.
Wah. You missed.
I can't see properly. Where's my lemon?
Yeah, no lemon.
Guys, if this one doesn't hit, then we're moving on to the sledgy. No, sledgehammer time. That's it, guys. Let's move on to this. Right, guys, we are here.
You're all.
Missed. You've got 3 shots. It's my go. He missed. No, he didn't, but it didn't do much. Oh. No. So, well done.
Is it nice? Yeah.
No, don't. No, we need it. He missed my turn. Brian, stop my turn. Right, guys, I'm here. I'll record it. I'm doing this one-handed.
No, this is dangerous.
What is?
You're gonna smash your iPad.
Yeah, record it then.
No, don't smash it.
I'm ready to record.
Fine. Brian,
No,
move.
don't smash it.
Oh, I missed. Right, okay then. Brian's turn. That's it, guys. It's got done. Let's move on to the next thing. We there now? Sit on. Good. Right, guys. Ryan's going to throw first. I'm going to do a tiny one. I'm just going to do a car. I'm going to do a Lamborghini.
Precious. That is what you
Ready?
Right, it's not.
Guys, look. Go. Yo, I'm ready for action. Next. Guys,
Not even dented.
it's mugging me off. You Lamborghini.
No, what are you doing?
I always thought I liked Lamborghinis, but you know what I say? If they don't smash, smash them.
Don't say that. Well, you're doing it.
No!
I don't think that's smashed it. Nothing Put it in camera.
What is left of the Lambo is basically this Lambo is
metal.
now basically
It's a frisbee.
no longer needed. No longer needed.
Now, one more, guys. Oh, we've got some more after this, but this one I'm gonna do with my hands zip tied together. Brian's gonna throw this at me. This.
I'm not gonna throw it. It's gonna fall apart.
No, just throw it. In fact, guys, now I'm gonna put it on there. Okay, it's not your turn. Take that off. Right, guys, I'm gonna put that on there. Gonna zip tie my hands. Ryan, you zip tie them. Zip tie my hands. Ryan, zip tie my hands now, guys. I'll come and show you after. That's it. Stop. Right, guys, my hands are now zip tied. Is it on camera? Hands are now zip tied. What I'm gonna do first? Nunchucks.
Watch that stream.
Alfie,
No, you gotta start with the small one.
that is there.
I'm starting with these nunchucks, guys. Go.
Wow. That's how it's supposed
The
to
zip ties don't help.
work.
Guys, you know what this calls for?
You can't smack something with that.
Sledgehammer time.
Yo. What did I ever do to you?
I'm gonna get them on.
Your mum's gonna give me a pair of scissors.
She reading? Is she reading? Really, I got it out for it.
I can't.
He's so angry.
Yoghurt,
Pop
I've
my
got yogurt on me.
Can't.
Pop him, Leo. Pop
Yogurt
him
on
like.
me.
I never got one.
Guys, let's shot.
Oh, you know not to give him the pair of scissors.
Mom, don't give Leo scissors. He bought these
Guys,
on
just turn the
himself.
camera off. Bye.
Leo can't.
No, are you recording? Hello. Hi. Right, guys, here we have a peach or whatever it's called, an apricot, whatever, and we're gonna smash it.
A plum.
Plum. There we go. Got it.
Guys, every time I do this, I come from a side shot like that, but now I'm going for the over top.
I've got something to do with this, the other zip tie at the end, guys. Gonna show you how to break out of one.
So, what we're going to do?
Why didn't you do it then?
I wanted to save it till the end.
So, guys, look, watch.
Oh, I never got that on record. It wasn't recording.
No.
No, you're joking. I did.
Next one.
Look at that. They got more.
What took
What
this
do you do, Sledge?
No, I don't want to do them.
Sledge, you just let have
What has happened to this?
It's going to
Is this?
Never.
Can you see that? Can you see that? It's broken.
I'm gonna go see
Why
my
is it
Uncle
wrong?
Michael. Cut the recording a sec.
No, let me just show you. Right, guys. Snap that.
When life gives you lemons.
Yeah,
I'm not going to say the rest.
You hit yes, Sledgehammer, so it hurts you.
Hurt me!
What? Wait, my turn. Megs. My turn. Guys, it's my turn. Yeah.
No, let me.
Sledge it. Sledge it.
I'm going to do the drop top on him, yeah.
Drop top. But,
Owen did.
right,
Right,
guys.
Owen.
Right, guys, I'm here now. Ryan's still attempting to kill it. That's it. No, my hat. Right, guys, that's it for now. We'll be right back in a sec.
Damn fine.
Right, guys, we've got another person here who wants to smash some. Okay, then go on.
No. Sniff it, you bro.
No, it's on grass so we don't do much damage.
We pull it on this one.
No, don't you break the sledgehammer or the curb.
One of the two.
Oi.
Do you know?
It broke. Right, guys, let's end it there. Let's
Wait,
move on.
I'm a baseball.
Let's move on to the next thing. Let's go on, guys. It's recording now.
So next is this police van. Do you know what you do when police come and you've got a sledgehammer that you're trying to hide from them? Instead of holding it, just smack them with it. Now that's cool, then. Right, Kurt. Yeah. Right, now see this car now. Is there anything left of it? Apart from a bent chassis? I don't think so.
Right, guys, I'm ending it there. Move on to me. Smash the bib tape. We're not recording this. Don't record it now.
I'm not, man.
You're immersed.
Well done, Jack. We're recording that. All right. Right, guys, it's me now. We're going to move on to what I've got. I've got two more things. I've got lip balm. No strawberry lip balm. Yummy. I'm going to smash this.
No, you're not. You're going to eat it.
No, I'm not.
Put
Right,
off, fatty.
got this, guys.
What are you doing? Put it on the tree.
No.
You man, if that hits me, my fist is hitting your face. Pull
Move back then.
No.
No fist.
Just do it.
What? Joking.
Hey, look, there's a branch. You're going to smash it.
Oh, yo, you're Leo, innit? Yeah. Oh, you're doing Aaron's video. Which is the iPad challenge in the back.
Aaron.
Yeah, I can do it.
You, man, Aaron.
I don't know who Aaron's is.
You just...
Aaron. Huh?
Soundboy's bar.
Things.
He's what? You did. Aaron. Oi! Who knows Aaron?
Yeah, guys, I did that one, but still.
Oh, yo!
some more
Oh,
to
yeah, I heard about you on Facebook.
You got punched in it.
Let's
Why?
go. Let's go, guys. Move
Right.
around.
Huh?
Why?
You better fight. that jump for no reason?
No, he called, he said I'm begging it. I said like mum on the streets. He said I'm a dickhead. I said like his dad and such.
Who was it?
Angel Ashmore.
Yes, guys.
Angel Ashmore.
Who's that?
Four,
Goes to park.
3.
What are you smashing?
That red thing and that white thing.
Okay.
3.
Why don't you put
Two.
it down?
This is the one I called the peanut shot. 3.
Mate, that ain't the size of yours, mate.
Now mine's 2 times bigger.
You
3,
wish that.
2,
You
1.
mean again?
No,
Why don't you just sit on it?
If you think that's funny, you should see me trying to hit the red car.
You should just sit on it, innit? Sit on it and then you'll break it. What, you want me to try?
No, I want the other kids to try.
Go on, Kane. Do it, mate.
No.
Let me do it.
Can't peer pressure someone to do it. If they don't want to do it.
You made from all send them wheels through all.
Going for this one.
You want to do the wheel, Josh?
I'll try.
He's not allowed to smash anything with my stuff.
What, because I called you fat?
Yeah.
You are fat though.
Okay,
Then
let
do
me
you think
say
you
that.
could smash it by throwing it off the floor or riding over it?
There we go.
That is smashed. Here you go. I want to do the wheel.
I'm doing this one. Got one more. Got one more, guys. Got the crisp packet.
Oi!
Give me the nunchucks. Mate, try.
They ain't even metal.
Yeah. No, they're not metal.
It's plastic.
Who's recording?
Is these
Is
all
it
your stuff?
recording?
This fire
Yeah,
stuff.
it's still recording.
We're good.
I got a long cord.
Right, guys. First of all, I'm going to do these nunchucks.
I'm trying my hand. Why don't you eat them?
Don't want to.
You can eat them after we smash. You mad if they, oh, yo, Will Kane, if they hit me, he, Rob, he can.
So you're gonna do something.
I'm going to do it again.
Nunchucks in his hands.
Yeah, Rob, I wouldn't give a fuck about them.
Okay, then.
You're just squishing with that.
Sit on it.
Lay your foot on it.
Oops. I let go.
Oops, I'll let go. Come on, yeah, smash it.
Do you want to eat them?
Did it?
Oh, yo, he said nigger on Aaron's video.
Did I?
Right. So
Come here,
I
bro.
am
Don't
smashing
remember
this.
who Aaron is.
How many seats did you have that for?
Don't know, didn't tell me.
Right, so
You can have a look, can't you?
see
in
this
there?
wheel? Oh, see this wheel? I'm gonna smash it. No nunchucks.
Only like 5 or something. Yeah, you just made them get in.
Ah!
Yeah, who is cleaning this up?
Got a new sledgehammer. It's called the sledgehammer wheel.
These all, you know. Stop breaking. What is this?
Why? Right, guys.
Wait, no, leave the wheel.
Ryan, you can hit it like a baseball.
Right, guys, we're back.
No, leave the wheel.
We're going to end it now, but I am going to come back and show you how to
Leave
get
the
out
wheel.
of if someone zip ties your arms.
Why would you do it by your arms? That's the
I don't know, but be quiet. Let's
Keep
go.
back here.
Let's, I'll be
so
back in
are
a
we
second.
doing
Oh, wait. Well, guys, we're recording now. We've got some wood. Brian's smashing one, I'm smashing one. 3, 2, 1. My turn.
Oh, I ain't finished yet.
Fine.
What are you doing, bro?
Right, guys, we're moving on to the next one. Bye. Right, guys, are you recording?
Yep.
Go.
Right, guys, we're back.
This is such a mess.
Yeah.
Well, Leah's cleaning it up.
Oh, no, it's alright.
It was his idea to smash it. You can clean it up while I smash.
Right, guys. 3.
Fat boy's gonna do it.
You're pushing your chin 2, 1.
Yeah, got big boots. Hello.
Brad, what are you doing, man? Give it to him.
No, Jack, you're smashing that off.
What? I'm alright, thanks.
Try smash the metal beam. Hey! Big man.
Brad, let him do it.
Oh, Brad. Brad, he won't break. Ah, what the fuck is that? No, it's
Now, if you haven't noticed, this is Low Angry 2.0.
Right, in a bit then, I'm going.
This is going on YouTube, isn't it?
Yeah.
But my face and beard in this.
No, blood. Oh, don't worry. I'll do the editing.
Yeah, blow it out for me.
Calm down, Liam, man.
Why are you so pissed off?
Because of that precise reason.
I think it's smashed.
Don't smash my tree. It really fucking is because it's outside my house.
Right, guys, there was no ending for the last video because it was too long. So I'm just going to say bye now. So see you guys later. Bye.